how to add YouTube tags to our YouTube video that you have already uploaded. So hey guys, if you also want to add tags to a video in your YouTube that you have uploaded, and while uploading you forgot or you did not care about the tags, but now you want to do it anyway, so this video is for you. In this video, we will be covering how you can add the tags after you have uploaded your YouTube video. As you know that tags are a great way to optimize your videos so that they reach their target audience. So let us begin. So the first thing we need to do is head on to the YouTube Studio. Since currently I am in my web browser, so to access the YouTube Studio, I'm gonna click onto my profile picture, and from here, gonna simply choose YouTube Studio. Then, once I'm inside the YouTube Studio, I need to click onto this Content tab at the left. This will display all of the videos that I have already uploaded onto my YouTube. Now, you need to find out that particular video onto which you want to add the tags. So, for example, let's say this particular video right here. So, once you will hover up your cursor on this video, you will see this details button with a pencil icon. Simply click onto this detail button, and from here you need to scroll down, and if you will come across to this option which is show more. So simply click onto the show more button and keep scrolling, and from here you can see the tags option. To add the tags, simply place your cursor over to this add tags section, and from here you can type onto your tags. So for example, let me add a tag like. Then once you are done writing a tag, simply hit the enter button, and then you may continue with the other tags. So let me do the same, and here you can see that I have added all of the tags for this particular video. The limit is 500 characters for each video. So after you are done adding all the relevant tags of your YouTube video, simply go up and click onto the save button to save the changes. Once you will click here, you can see this message which says changes saved. So that's how you have successfully added tags to your YouTube video. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video or found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like. Tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.